everybody, welcome back to Guaranty, and my name is Emily McKinnon. We are here right off of the Highway 99 in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to take a closer look at the 31K floor plan of the Minnie Winnie by Winnebago. Here we're on a Ford 50 Super Duty Ford chassis. We are on a V10, Triton V10 engine with 305 horsepower with 420 pounds per foot torque. Let's go ahead and head inside and I'll show you this great floor plan. So again, we are in the 31K floor plan of the Minnie Winnie by Winnebago. It's got one nice big wall slide, but it really makes it open up quite a bit, even just with that one slide. I love these U-shaped booths. You can get the whole family gathered around, playing cards, telling stories, eating breakfast together during your camping trip. Great memories. All your seat belts are located here as well. Up here at the front, we've got your extended mirrors so that you can see all the way down the side of your vehicle when you're in tow and when the slide is in. You've got your overhead cab right here, little window there, your ladder to help the kids climb up. All of the usual suspects here when you're driving. It's very, very similar to just driving your Ford truck. And here you've got a fold-out couch, again with a couple of seat belts there to keep your guests safe while traveling. And that just folds down very easily into a nice little bed. Then, I love the amount of counter space that they give you here in this kitchen. Plus, the couch sits directly across from this nice television here. You do have a DVD player. You can bring along your favorite movies. Tons of storage here in this kitchen. Lots of nice, big, full expanding drawers, nice and deep. Nice amount of storage underneath the sink as well, not too obstructed. Gas burning oven, 3-burner stove, all your controls here in one spot. Plus residential microwave. Plus you've got your overhead storage as well in your kitchen. Nice double sink with a cute little window so that you can see out into your campsite. And then again, you've got this nice storage with some shelving or some pull-out drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fully extendable pull-out drawers there. Really good amount of storage. Your Norcold RV two-way refrigerator. Then you step in here and you've got your mid-bath. So you've got your commode and sink in one area, and then on the other you've got your shower with a nice glass door. There is a privacy curtain right here so you can undo this, or a pocket door, and then this door swings open and covers that area too. So if you needed to, you can have full privacy when you're using the shower, using the bathroom. Nice queen size bed with a really good amount of closet space here. A little smaller storage, kind of a his and hers closet. Then you've got a nice, really nice amount of space up here too for some extra storage as well. You do have the option around this corner to put in a small TV. You do have your outlets here, plus some nice big windows on either side. All the windows in here, especially that nice big one along the slides, let in a lot of natural light, and plus when you're camping you just have that much more view of where you're camping at, and that's the whole point. Let's go outside and we'll show you some storage on the outside too. So you've got a full automatic awning on the top with a light strip. Nice amount of storage here. Easy to clean material. Plus it's very durable. You can just kind of throw things in there and you won't hurt it. Nice big huge pass-through storage in this unit. Plus you have a second door there for access. Sewer hose storage. You've got the really nice Winnebago logo, backup camera, and water ladder for your to access your roof. Your black tank flush to keep both your black tank clean. Tank fill, city fill for when you're filling up your water. And then cable in, your cable access for hooking up cable at your campsite. And then your 4,000 watt generator and your propane tanks are underneath here. Plus you have your awning topper going the entire length of your slide. That's really important if you want to protect your slide from water, debris, things like that. Well, I really appreciate you joining me on this video. Again, my name is Emily McKinnon here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. The telephone number I can be reached at is 541-998-1148. I'm at extension 2519. And until you join me next time, enjoy the road.